Bridging the Gap: How DevOps Revolutionizes Software Delivery. The software development landscape has undergone a dramatic shift in recent years. The traditional siloed approach, where development and operations teams worked independently, often led to friction, bottlenecks, and slow release cycles. Enter DevOps, a philosophy and set of practices that aims to bridge the gap between these two critical functions. DevOps is more than just a collection of tools. It's a cultural shift that emphasizes collaboration, communication, and automation throughout the software delivery lifecycle. At its core, DevOps principles promote shared responsibility. Developers and operations personnel work together towards a common goal, fostering a sense of ownership and accountability for the entire software development process. Continuous integration and continuous delivery (CI/CD). Code changes are integrated and tested frequently, allowing for rapid feedback and faster deployments. Automation. Repetitive tasks like infrastructure, provisioning, configuration management, and testing are automated, freeing up human resources to focus on higher value activities. Monitoring and feedback. Continuous monitoring of applications and infrastructure provides valuable insights for improvement and helps identify potential issues before they impact users. The benefits of adopting DevOps are numerous. Faster software delivery. By streamlining development and operations processes, DevOps enables organizations to release new features and bug fixes more frequently, keeping their software competitive and user base satisfied. Improved quality, continuous integration, and rigorous testing lead to a higher quality of software with fewer bugs and issues. Increased agility. DevOps allows organizations to adapt to changing market demands and user needs more quickly. Reduced costs. Automation of manual tasks and efficient resource utilization lead to cost savings. However, implementing DevOps is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Challenges can arise, such as cultural shift, breaking down silos, and fostering collaboration between development and operations teams can be a slow process that requires a change in mindset. Skill set gap. Effectively implementing DevOps may require upskilling existing staff or hiring personnel with specialized skills in automation and tooling. Security concerns. Automating processes and introducing new tools can introduce new security vulnerabilities that need to be addressed. Despite these challenges, the advantages of DevOps are undeniable. By embracing a culture of collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement, organizations can reap significant benefits in terms of speed, quality, and overall software delivery efficiency. As technology continues to evolve, DevOps will likely play an even more crucial role in the success of modern software development.